Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet bed cover designs. Crochet bed cover designs vary widely depending on personal preference, skill level, and the intended style of the bedroom. Some popular crochet bed cover designs include intricate leg patterns, geometric motifs, floral designs, granny skirts, triple stitches, and textured stitches like popcorn or bubble stitches. Pinterest and crafting websites often have a plethora of inspiration and patterns to explore. If you have a specific theme or a style in mind, we can provide more tailored suggestions. Crochet bed covers, also known as afghans or blankets, are versatile and customizable pieces that add warmth and style to any bedroom. Here are some key points about crochet bed cover designs. Size. Crochet bed covers come in various sizes to fit different bed dimensions, from twin to king size beds. The size of the bed cover will dictate the amount of yarn needed and the complexity of the design. Yarn selection. The type of yarn chosen can significantly impact the look and feel of the bed cover. Options range from soft and cozy acrylic yarn to luxurious wool or cotton blends. Variegated yarns can create interesting color patterns, while solid colors provide a classic look. Design elements. Crochet bed covers can incorporate a wide range of design elements, including leg patterns. Delicate and airy leg patterns add elegance to a bed cover. Granny skirts. Traditional and versatile, granny skirts can be arranged in various configurations to create unique designs. Textured stitches. Stitches like popcorn, bobble, or cable stitches add depth and interest to the bed cover. Color work. Introducing different colors through stripes, chevrons, or motifs can enhance the visual appeal of the bed cover. Edging. The edging of the bed cover can be simple and elaborate, depending on the overall design aesthetic. Common edging techniques include picots, shell, or scallops stitches. Personalization. Crochet bed covers offer endless opportunities for personalization, whether it is incorporating a loved one's favorite colors, incorporating in details or motifs that hold a special meaning, or adapting a pattern to suit individual preferences. The possibilities are endless. Skill level. The complexity of crochet bed cover designs can vary from beginner-friendly patterns to advanced techniques require more experience. It is essential to choose a pattern that matches your skill level and comfort with crochet techniques. When selecting a crochet bed cover design, consider factors such as the desired level of warmth, the exciting decor of the bedroom, and the time and skill level required to complete the project. With pettiness and creativity, crocheters can create beautiful and functional bed covers that add a personal touch to their space. Here are some tips to keep in mind when creating a crochet bed cover. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that is appropriate of the desired level of warmth and comfort. Consider the fiber content, width, and color options to ensure it complements the bedroom decor and meets your preferences. Gauge swatch. Always make a gauge swatch before starting your project to ensure your stitches match the pattern's requirements. This will help you achieve the correct size and prevent the bed cover from being too tight or too loose. Use stitch markers. Utilize stitch markers to keep track of pattern repeats, especially for intricate designs. This will help you maintain consistency and avoid mistakes. Block your work. After completing each section or panel, block your work to even out the stitches and shape the fabric. Blocking can enhance the overall appearance of the bed cover and ensure it lays flat. Take breaks. Crocheting a bed cover is a significant project that can be time-consuming. Take regular breaks to prevent hand fatigue and maintain focus. Pace yourself to avoid burnout and enjoy the process. Joining techniques. If your bed cover consists of multiple panels or motifs, explore different joining techniques such as slip stitch, single crochet, or whip stitch. Choose a method that provides stability and seamless finish. Customize as you go. Don't be afraid to modify the pattern to suit your preferences, whether it is adjust the size, adding or omitting design elements, or experimenting with color placement. Make the bed cover your own. As you work, periodically weave in loose ends to prevent them from unraveling and creating a mess. This will save you time and effort when finishing the bed cover. Once the bed cover is complete, block it again to give it a final shape and smooth out any wrinkles or imperfections. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a bed cover is a labor of love. Embrace the journey. Celebrate your process and take pride in the finished masterpiece that will adorn your bed for years to come. Crochet bed covers, also known as afghans or blankets, are versatile and customizable pieces that add warmth and style to any bedroom. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.